Hello, welcome to my channel. Gmail has a hidden feature called template that lets you reply in seconds with just one click. In this video, I'll show you all the steps mentioned in the screen. Let's get started. Step 1. How to enable template in Gmail. Now go to the settings. See all settings. Go to advanced tab. Scroll down to template. Enable it and save changes. Step 2. How to save your template. Click on Compose, Start New Email. Type the message you often send, like what I have written in the screen. Once you're done, click the three dots menu in the bottom right. Template, Save Draft as Template, and Save as New Template. You can give your own name and you can save this template. Step 3. How to use in one click. Click on Compose, click three dots menu, then Template, select your Save Template. You can see all your details are populated here. You can just send this email. Step 4. Update or delete template. To update, open your new email, edit text. You can type your own text which need to be updated with existing one. Then go to the templates, save draft as template, overwrite existing template. To delete the template, again you need to go to the template, select the delete template and choose what you don't need. Select that and delete the template. It will remove that template. You can see all the templates are removed from the template section. And that's it. You know how to use Gmail template to reply in seconds. This will save your time if you are getting lots of email. If you found this helpful, then hit like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video. Thank you.